this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to permanently turn off the smart pricing on Mercari using List Perfectly. So when you're in your browser, go to your List Perfectly icon at the top, click that once. Make sure you close out your notifications. You can go over to Settings, which is the cog all the way on the bottom right. Along the top, you see all your selling platforms. You'll want to click on Mercari. And down here where it says Turn Off Smart Pricing Feature on Mercari, you'll want to make sure that's checkmarked. What that will do for you is during the cross post, the smart pricing option will be turned off. So that toggle on Mercari when you're listing there will permanently be turned off from now on. And it's just one less click, one less thing you have to worry about when you're listing. It can save you a little bit of time, but it can also save you mistakes. If you don't like to use the smart pricing and you accidentally forget to toggle this button to off, you can end up selling something for less than you wanted. So by using List Perfectly to permanently turn that off, you are avoiding making mistakes.